Barney Davy here with the Fine Art Career Roadmap. Today's topic is what is a mind map and how to use one in your art business. A mind map has many uses. You can use one to brainstorm just about anything. A brainstorm is where you let go of all judgment and start to free associate with a topic, an idea, or a word. Here's a handy use for a topic to get your whole family involved. Where should we go for vacation? That's a great central thought or topic. And you can see how you can come up with many tempting choices for your vacation. However, before you get going, you might start a side mind map. For this side mind map, try asking, what kind of vacation do we want to take? That, in turn, can lead to other choices to note and map. Those might include summer or winter, surfing in Costa Rica or snowboarding in Utah. Pitching out thoughts and counterpoints generates excellent results. This exercise is fun and exhilarating in a group. Here's a brain twister challenge that also gets results. For a twist and to stretch your brain, take a 100 answer challenge to name places or types of vacations you would never take. You're almost guaranteed to find a gem of an idea that way. Take a look at how compassion, art, and homelessness converge. An idea mind map might start with helping the homeless. Notice I didn't say how to. That's because we want to go beyond thinking about fixes and solutions with this solution of mind mapping, this type of mind mapping. Homelessness is a heavy topic unless you have a passion for it. As such, thinking about it and mind mapping it presents challenges and perhaps opportunities. You might start by asking, what is the problem and what are the causes? That is, what are the demographics, psychographics, statistics, and norms regarding homelessness being done by government and nonprofits? What does the research say about how to fix it? And what are we not doing that could help? Moreover, what are the long-tail ramifications of this new idea? What can I do as an individual? Should I volunteer at the shelter or help out at Habitat for Humanity? It may seem homelessness and art are not related, but aren't starving artists potentially one bad situation from being without a home? How many charities and artists use art to raise money to combat homelessness? The point is to encourage you to expand your thinking and horizons in as many ways as possible, even in ways you've never considered in the past. I believe when you are wide open to ideas, your vision of the world expands along with your ability to interpret it through your art. How your mind map rests your brain, eases stress, and ups creativity. There is so much to think about with so many topics, which is why getting all your tidbits of thinking in one place is so beneficial. A side benefit is you can rest your brain. If you're serious about a topic, then you will have many thoughts on it. It's stressful to try and recall all of them and keep them in your brain. With a mind map, you can let your brain relax, knowing you've committed your ideas, thoughts, and notions. Use word association to unify a disparate set of artworks. Let's say you have an idea for a series of artworks, but you want a unifying theme that is not too restrictive. You've decided that red is the dominant color in the series. So start free associating with red. Here's my list that I came up with in less than 5 minutes. Crimson, magenta, CYMK, blood, ketchup spelled with a C, ketchup spelled with a K, fire trucks, lips, wine, roses, guitar, Dickie Betts, Sue Foley, B.B. King, Taylor Swift, red carpet, Oscars, premieres, award shows, red velvet rope, red velvet cake, Red Roof Inn, persimmon, orange, purple, pink, fingernails, toenails, eyes, red eye, Red Bull, romance novels, Red Skelton, Red, White, and Blue, Flag, Russia, Red Cross, Maple Leaves, and more. Those are my quick free association first thoughts when thinking about red. Yours are sure to be different. Each suggestion opens your brain to even more ideas and thoughts. Mind maps serve to visualize our free associations as well as catalog our plans and so much more. Do you see some benefits of mind mapping and how you can use the process to help in your life and career? They offer tremendous value and benefits in so many ways. That's why I frequently use them when coaching artists and marketers. They kickstart projects that get results. Thanks for listening. More to come soon.